This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Martin Bell. Great fully furnished 2-bedroom/2-bath home in highly desirable Boca Woods Country Club. Open floor plan with kitchen having stainless steel counters, hardwood floors, cathedral ceilings and fenced-in yard. Amenities include remodeled clubhouse, new fitness center, pool, tennis pickleball, putting green, driving range and limited golf. Beautiful bar and restaurant. Close to shopping and beach, 24-hour gate security. Garbage and lawn maintenance included. Gas, water and electric not included. Tenant's responsibility. For more information, review the details below or contact Martin Bell at 561-405-1699.